Excuse me. Hey. Hey everybody, it's your girl Nia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a wig review with LUVMEHAIR, and let's just open this baby up and see what it came with. This is the card it came with. It comes with a two-piece wig cap, so it has two pieces in here, and it comes with this little pouch which has, let's open it up. It has a hair clip that says Love Me, a baby hair brush, also came with a wig band, so if you want your hair really secure, you can sew this into your wig if you want it tighter. It came with a hair wrap to lay down numb edges, y'all, because you know we need to lay down these edges. So basically that's all the stuff you need to get you started with putting on your wig. This wig also came with not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 headbands for your wig, and I think that is so dope. And these headbands are so nice, so stretchy, like they really did that. So let's get into this wig. So the wig came in this bag, and this is the wig, y'all. Look at that curl pattern. It's so pretty. This is how it looked inside of the wig. It has combs in it, and then it also have the headband for your headband wig. Again, look at these curls. It's really pretty. It's nice and full. And let's just try this baby on. So I'm gonna push back my cap. And this wig is fitting really nice and snug. Like, it's real tight. And that's okay, because we don't want it to come off, y'all. Putting my combs through my hair. And yes, it's giving me that snug, because I'm actually supposed to be going to the fair with my daughter today, and I'm going to get on some rides with her. So I need this nice and secure. And it's really secure. I didn't even put the strap in yet. So I'm actually gonna secure it even more. All right. Ooh, so this is cute, y'all. It's giving real Jerry curl realness, okay? This is giving like Rick James. I'm the female Rick James in this bitch. And the hair is really soft. As you see, I'm finger combing it, and it's getting bigger and bigger. This is for the girls that love big hair, okay? Let me put this headband on, y'all. I think this is really cute, okay? Like, what? Excuse me. Hey. 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 You're rough and stuff with my afro puff. Shouldn't me? I like this headband because it's really thick, and it's doing really well with hiding the black band. This is how it looks on the side. You see what it's giving. You see what it's giving. And this is how it looks in the back. Okay. Nice and full. So I like how it looks curly, but can we straighten it? Let's see. So I'm going to take this little part right here, clip my hair back, and I want to see if it straightens, okay? So 450, let's see. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looked with it straightened. Because it's really curly, you still see that it does have some type of waves to it. I went over it a couple times, but this is how it looks straightened. So now that I straightened it, I want to see if I spray it with some water. I want to see if it could go back to its natural state. And in this water bottle, I have some Cantu cream conditioner and I have just regular water. I hope it goes back to its natural state because I'm gonna be so mad. Right now it's still looking straight, y'all. Okay, look like it's getting some curl back. It actually look like it's going back to its natural jerry curl state. You'll have to dampen it like I did, and then when it dries, it'll go back to its curly state. So it's drying, and this is how it looks back to its jerry curl state after I sprayed it with water and conditioner. I was getting real nervous because I'm like, no, I like these curls. But as you can see, you can flatten it. Good job, y'all, because I was nervous. I was scared. I'm actually going to, fuck it, let's just spray it all around. Let's see how it look wet. Okay, y'all. So this is how it looks wet. And I'm still loving her. The curls are still curly. The curls are still big. This hair, y'all, is big, okay? And I am living for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for you. And guys, if you like this wig, don't forget, I always have my deets in my description box. So everything on this wig, the link to this wig, will be in my description box below. And before I leave, y'all, I want to see how this hair looks up in a half up, half down, because y'all know that's my fave. Because I want to see if this wig could do some versatile stuff, you know? This is how it looks in a half up, half down, and y'all, it's bigger, okay? I love the texture of it. It's so cute. Let me see how it looks in a bun. So this is the bun, okay? And this is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And yeah, I love it. But this is really cute. Let me tell you the details. This is a Jerry Curl headband wig. Beginner and lazy girl friendly, because I have been lazy over the past year. Like, I don't know if it's because of the pandemic, but I got really lazy and I don't be trying to do my hair. Like, nobody has time for that, you know? You don't have to worry about no glue. You don't have to worry about no lace. Just, you know, lay your edges down. And if you don't have edges, girl, put your headband right here. These people don't gotta know. It's none of their business, okay? And this is 100% virgin hair, and it lasts for like a couple of years if you take care of it just like you take care of your real hair. Because it's human hair, it can be dyed, and the circumference on this wig is 22.5 inches. The wig that I have on, I got it in 14 inches. You can get it up to as much as 24 inches. You can't beat this. You buy one wig and you get 5 headbands, and they're very different. You could wear them with any type of clothes you have. Like, I could have wore all of these for the shirt that I have on. But I absolutely love this wig, y'all, like, because it's really giving a girl something. Like, the girls at the carnivals is gonna be upset. You better hide your sugar daddy, because I'ma take him. I love the way it fit my face. Like, who's team big hair? Because I love me some big curly hair, okay? Like, it does something to me. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this wig, because I'm feeling her. She just does it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, stay bomb.